Hello, and welcome to the MKS booth here at Photonics West 2017. I'm Dan Ford, and I'm with the Ophir Photonics Group. We're going to talk a bit today about laser consistency. And to achieve that, you need the tools in order to run the test and measure your laser's output. We're going to start out with the first step, and that would be a power energy meter. You need to make sure that that laser is performing in the manner it is intended, and you're not seeing any degradation over time. And you can do that as simply as taking a simple power or energy reading. From that point, you want to make sure that your beam is distributed properly, and to do so, you're going to need a beam profiler. Now, there's a lot of options here, and believe me, it can be a little bit intimidating. However, there are salespeople and field people that will be more than happy to come in and help you. So, with beam profiling, you're going to put the beam directly into a device, and it's going to show you exactly what your beam looks like. So we have a number of technologies. We have pyroelectric for working in the UV and out into the IR and fire IR. We have dual scanning slits that'll look at two slices of the beam at any given time. We have CCDs for your 190 to 1300 nanometer. Typically stops around 1100 nanometers. With some of these devices, you are going to need some attenuation. And we do have attenuation packages made with high quality optics so that we don't get any fringes or any etalon effects that would cause distortion of the beam in the optics and make you think that it's something going on with your beam, and it's not really happening. We have two things that I'm very excited about this year. One is the Beam Watch. The Beam Watch is able to define exactly where your focus is taking place, and it's non-contact. It's going to start out with YAG type lasers, fiber in particular, and you're going to fire the beam through here. You can use a power meter for a beam dump and do two jobs at once, but this will go clear up over 100 kilowatts. So for those high-powered lasers, this is the device to determine where your focus is taking place and find out a little information about it. Another thing that we're really excited about this year is additive manufacturing. And there's a lot of challenges there. And we're seeing this integrating more and more and more into industry, even into the protection. So we've developed a calibrated system to identify exactly where focus is taking place, profile the beam so you know exactly the mode that you're working with, and take a power reading all at the same time. This is terrific. Now, again, let me remind you, there's a lot here, and we haven't even scratched the surface. So I'm going to ask you to please contact us, let us come to your facility, and work on a solution that meets your needs and not just a generic application. Again, I'm Dan Ford. You can contact me directly if you like. You can find us on the internet by Googling Ophir Photonics Group, or you can just call us. The number here in the United States is 435-753-3729. Thank you and have a good day.